Hey guys, welcome to this Excel basic video. In this video, I will be showing you most of the basic that you need to know in order to use Microsoft Excel program. So guys, in previous video we gave you information about how to save workbook in Excel and how to create worksheet in Excel. But today we are going to give you information about three different topics. First is hiding worksheet in Excel. How to hide worksheet in Excel, and another is copy worksheet in Excel. How to copy worksheet in Excel, and another is delete worksheet in Excel. How we could delete worksheet in Excel. So for this different idea, first of all we should open the Excel. Now I am opening the Excel program. Now the Excel program is open. Now today I am giving you idea about hiding worksheet in Excel. How to hide this worksheet in Excel. First of all, I will open the number of sheet. Sheet 1, sheet 2 and another sheet, sheet 3. Now we did work here in sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So if you do not need a one sheet, if one of the sheet is not necessary, then you can hide it. So how we could hide it? To hide the worksheet, first of all we should right click in the name of the sheet which we want to hide. For example, I want to hide the sheet 1. Then I am clicking here in the sheet 1. Then right click it of the mouse button. Then go to the hide tab. Here is the hide tab. This is a hide tab. Then click it. Now the sheet 1 is hidden. Now if we want the sheet 1 again, we want to do work in sheet 1, then how we could unhide the sheet 1? How we could unhide it? So to unhide the sheet that we have made hidden, then go to the another sheet, click in the sheet which is available. I am clicking in the sheet 2, right click in the sheet 2, right click, then the dialog box is open and you will see there is unhide option. We have seen here unhide option. This is unhide option. Then click in the unhide option. Now here is a dialog box. In unhide option, the sheet 1, which one we have hidden already. So to get this hidden sheet, we should click here in the OK button. This is the OK button. Now the sheet 1 is here. This is the way how we could hide the sheet and how we could get back the hidden sheet. And another topic is copy worksheet in Excel. How we could copy worksheet in Excel? For example, we have done the job in sheet 1. We did here the job. So we want to make copy of this sheet. How we could make the copy of this sheet? To make copy of this sheet, first of all we should right click on the sheet name. Here is sheet 1, this is sheet name. We will right click of the mouse button. Then we will get the dialog box and you will see the move or copy option in the dialog. Here is the move or copy option, and you will click in the move or copy option. Click here. Now another dialog box is open. Then we will go to the create a copy sheet. Here is a create a copy sheet. Then tick mark here. Then click OK button. Now you get the copy of sheet 1. This is the copy of sheet 1. Now if you want to change the name of this sheet, then you can change it easily. Right click the right button of the mouse, then go to rename, and you can change the name. Like I am changing the name of this sheet. I gave the name sheet. In this way we can copy the sheet and change the name of the sheet, and another topic is delete worksheet in Excel. How we could delete worksheet? This is a worksheet. How to delete the worksheet which we didn't need? For example, we did the job in worksheet 1 in sheet and another in sheet 1 and in sheet 2 and sheet 3. There are 4 sheets: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Now we want to delete one of these sheets which is not needed. So to delete the sheet, we should go to the sheet which we want to delete. For example, I want to delete the sheet 2. Go to the sheet 2, click here and right click the button of the right button of the mouse. Now the dialog box is appeared. Then go to the delete option. This is the delete option and click here. Now another message box is appeared. Here you get the message: you can't undo delete sheet and you might be removing some data. If you don't need it, click delete. So this message is saying that if you want this sheet, then you can delete it. If you delete it, you will not get this sheet back. If you don't need this sheet, then you can delete. Click the delete button. Here is the delete button. Click this button. Now the sheet 2 is deleted. See guys, there is no sheet 2. This is the way how we could delete the sheet, how we could hide the sheet, and how we could copy the sheet. This is the basic idea that you need while doing job in Excel. So Guys, this is the important information that I gave you today. So thank you guys. For more information and for more video, subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.